Hello friends! This is a simple, handmade, mini bench press drilling machine, suitable for PCB drilling. Today, we will learn how to make it easily, and which type of materials are used here. A 12-volt, 2-ampere adapter is working fine to power the machine effectively. Here, we are using a set of drawer slides, having length 10 inches, for a smooth, sliding movement. It cost me 160 rupees in a local hardware store. For the base, we are selecting plywood. The vertical piece should be perfectly aligned. Now, it is the time to fix the metal slides with the vertical frame. Now, another small piece of plywood is required for mounting the motor. Let's fix it first. A RS545 motor and a drilling chock for it is available online. This metal plate comes with a RS545 motor. We are going to use it as a clamp to hold the motor with the small piece of vertical plywood. This frame is made by cutting PVC pipes. This rod is collected from a shock absorber repairing shop. And we gather a lot of springs from junky yards. This mechanism will help to lift the motor upward. We have used the rod from an old and used drafter and a ping pong ball for making the handle. This cutting piece of PVC will guide the handle. Now, it is the time to test our machine. Oh, it is working fine.